Cabinet Committee has approved PM E-Drive scheme for a span of 2 years. 10,900 crore rupee has been allotted for the scheme. It aims to boost adoption of electric vehicles. As per the scheme, subsidy worth 3,679 crore rupee has been sanctioned for adoption of battery-run 2- and 3-wheeler, ambulance, truck, and other emerging electric vehicles. Support for 24.79 lakh e-2-wheelers, 3.16 lakh e-3-wheelers and 14,028 e-buses will be provided. 4,391 crore rupee will be provided for procurement of 14,028 crore e-buses by state transport undertakings and public transport agencies. 3,435 crore rupee has been allotted for PM E-Boost sewer payment security mechanism for battery run market. 500 crore rupee each for deployment of e-ambulances and for incentivizing adoption of trucks.